Liquid cooler, AIO or air cooler? Which one should you buy? Which is the best one for you? Are air coolers better than liquid coolers? What are the advantages of liquid coolers? I am Titan, you're watching Tech ASAP. Let's find out. Consider you are an average person who wants to buy a PC to complete your assignments at home. The sketchy shopkeeper, confirming that you don't know anything about PC, tries to sell you the most expensive cooling system, saying it is the best. This is completely wrong. Then you might ask, which is the best cooling system? Well, I would say it is the wrong question to ask. Let's start from the basics. The different cooling solutions or systems have different sets of advantages as well as disadvantages. Ideal cooler is the one that can cool any CPU without making any noise. But as we all know, if there is an ideal in the name, that means it is not real. Except ice creams. Normally, cooling systems can be divided into three categories. Air cooling, liquid cooling and all-in-one coolers. Naturally, we are going to explore more, so buckle up. Air coolers. Air coolers are the most common type of coolers. Air coolers are low maintenance cooling solutions which are commonly available in the market. So it is better to opt air cooling unless you want to learn maintenance or hire a technical team. But this becomes less efficient with high TDP, which I have already explained in another video. Next comes liquid cooling or custom loops. Liquid cooling or custom loops are the most uncommon type of cooling solutions made specifically for you. So they are called custom loops. These need high maintenance and also are more expensive. But the advantage is that they can be used with high TDP CPUs as well as they are very silent. So they are used in areas where noise can be harmful, like in recording studios. You can also use these custom loops to get super silent PC at home. But make sure you don't mix two metals like copper and aluminum. The reason is like the video because likes help the video to reach to more viewers and cost you nothing. And comment down below if you know the reason. The last one is AIO or all-in-one coolers. These are crossover between air coolers and liquid coolers. These coolers have closed loops filled with liquid. These coolers doesn't need high maintenance if it is fit in an orientation recommended by the manufacturer. And yes, orientation can affect the life expectancy as well as cooler performance. So make sure you have fit it in correct orientation. This is one of the proposed topics for upcoming videos, so get subscribed and click the notification to all. And no matter which cooler you buy, you have to keep your system always clean. Your PC may thank you. Speaking of thank yous, I will thank you if you share this video with all those who might be interested in this topic and help us grow our community.